Have you ever wondered why, out of all the dietary restrictions in Judaism, the prohibition against pork has become such a well-known symbol of kashrut? Welcome to a fascinating journey into the world of kashrut, the system of Jewish dietary laws. Today, we'll uncover the mystery behind one of the most famous Jewish dietary prohibitions, the refusal to eat pork. Why does your Jewish friend politely decline the offer to have bacon for breakfast? Why will you never find a ham sandwich in a kosher restaurant? Let's turn to the original source. The Torah sets out clear criteria for which animals are fit to eat. According to these laws, an animal is considered kosher if it has two characteristics: split hooves and the ability to chew its cud. A cow fully meets these requirements. It has split hooves and it chews its cud. It's the same story with the sheep. Both criteria are met. But the pig is a surprising paradox. It really does have split hooves, the first sign of being kosher. However, she does not regurgitate gum. The pig is literally just one step away from being considered kosher, like a student who aces half the exam but stumbles on the final question. What's remarkable is that it's the only animal with this trait, outwardly kosher, but not on the inside. Why does the pig attract such close attention in Judaism? At first glance, the answer is simple. Other non-kosher animals are rarely eaten even by non-Jews, whereas pork is widespread in world cuisine. But there's a deeper explanation as well. The pig is the only animal that has the outward signs of being kosher, but lacks the internal ones. The pig, in a way, creates the illusion of being kosher, misleading the observer. It's no coincidence that the sages comment on this trait. It stretches out its hooves and declares, "I am kosher." In a sense, the pig embodies hypocrisy in the animal kingdom, outwardly displaying signs of purity, but not matching them on the inside. Much like a person who wears the mask of righteousness without possessing true virtue. Perhaps it is this very symbolic two-facedness that gives the pig its special status in Jewish tradition.